Here's a 15-minute clip of what to expect on my Wednesday night live stream at the Workbench, where I work on structure kits and chat, on that little thing. So take a look at it. And we have to come back up to the top, like so. So about right there. So that's a little bit longer. Okay, so I'll make the next one just a little bit longer, so give us some room here. And what I'm going to do is scrape the paint off of that and scrape a little bit of paint off of this right here. See how that works. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing with this. Spray some of the crap on there and put the super glue on the wire part. See how that works.
Baby, this head close. It's like I'm pausing with a lethal dose. Can I help it if I want you tonight? If I leave it, baby, will you come? Let me hold you till my arms go numb.
I'm just going to do the bottom. I'm just going to do the attach it to the nozzle and let that set up. Let it cure, and then later on do the top part. Because if I try to bend it and then put the other part on, I might just knock it off real quick. Okay, hold it there and wait for it to set up, and then okay. We're just going to leave those there for right now. Let those things cure for a little bit. And go on to the next step here someplace. See what else we can do. Later on we'll be able to bend that and glue it to the other half. Get rid of this. Okay, so I should drill a hole in this first. Let me go get my drill bit. I'll do it with the .64 drill bit. And I'm going to drill it over on my deal over there because I don't want to drill through my table. It's the hole. There we go. Just got to shave off the shavings on there. Okay, after this kit, got to do a simple one because the Bar Mills kit should be coming in anytime soon. So I got a Blair line kit here, so I might do that one. Yeah, don't hold. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I learned my lesson on that one. I think this is the next kit that I'll do right here. This one right here. The fertilizer supply. This has got the tab and slot on it. They fit together like that, so that should be a pretty easy one. I'm not sure if you have to brace these ones or not. Yeah, I probably do because they're pretty thin. It doesn't come with bracing, but I got plenty of bracing. I come prepared. So that's gonna be the next kit. Alright, so all we got to do is just glue this right here. And I'm just going to hit it with a couple of deals of the tacky glue. That should work on here because this is painted, so that'll hold, hopefully. And you don't have to have it permanent so you can't get it apart. And I ended up putting some stoops on the over here on the doors because they sat a little bit too high off of the floor. So I have this so that sits flush against the back.
Well, I'm upstairs with them good time gals, always going down. Yeah, they're always going down. Oh, Lord.
Okay, so I gotta look at it like this. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. All right. Yeah, I gotta leave. I gotta leave the back. So I could put this on the back here, because the walkway is exterior. The stairs are exterior. Well, what do you think? That is honey brown. Yeah, honey brown. I think I ought to change the color of that. What do you think? That looks kind of crappy. Give me your thoughts here. Yeah, Biden Supply House, lots of BS. Light poo, yeah. Alright, that looks good right there. Yeah, I think I might have to change the color of that, because that's looks a little bad. I thought it, you know, when I first put it on, I thought it would be a good color, but after it started drying, I said, yeah, that's what I was looking for, but I don't have anything. Oh, wait a minute. What, I got something here. No, not that. I got thicket. That right there. How does that look? Or burlap. That's green. That's green turquoise. I got 1,000 colors here. Just weather the hell out of it there. I don't know. You can't. It's kind of hard to weather that, the color that is. I might have to lighten that up a little bit. I might try the burlap on top of that. Let's try that. See what that looks like. I'm just going to go over it with the brush. Hey, there's a wash of gray. That's a good idea. Hold on a second. Where's my gray? Here's light gray. Okay, so let's try that. Dry brush to gray. Hey, that's a good idea. I know I got you guys here for some reason. Give me some good ideas here. I gotta get this stuff is thick. I'll just put some on the paper towel here. Leave some in the lid right there, just in case. And don't forget, we'll be doing a Bar Meals giveaway when I do my builds for the Bar Meals kits. Coming up shortly. More details right here. For more information, go to my website where you could find the information on my Wednesday night live stream. I do it every night, every Wednesday night at 8 p.m. So until the next time, we'll see ya and have fun building those kits. Yeah. All right.